I first came in here and I told Dr. Roach, I said, just pull them all out, because I really didn't think I had a chance. He says, no, Rich, he goes, we don't get rid of teeth. We repair them, we fix them. We're gonna make your teeth full again. I never seen a dentist fight for your teeth as strong as Dr. Roach does. Such a warm feeling when you get here. We meshed right in. It was such a blessing to be here, and everyone is so warm and kind and gentle. Got a wonderful experience with him the very first time I came here. He put this tube up over my nose. It was like nitrous or some kind of gas that helps relax, and it did. I got in the chair, he put it on, and he started numbing me up, and there was Christian music being played, and he started singing to the music while he was doing the root canal. I didn't feel a thing. He got up and said, okay, Rich. He goes, we're done. Are you serious? He says, yeah, we're done. How you feel? I said, are you kidding me? I said, let's do it again. And it was that pleasant. We've been here ever since. It's just the absolute professionalism and the technology they have here is I've never experienced. It's so comforting to be in their hands, in their care. There's no other place I would rather be.